Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset your mouse setting in Windows operating system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first go to your search option over here and search for control panel. You can see control panel is over here. If you now click it to open, we can see this kind of interface over here. Maximize it and go for this view by category and select large items. By this you can see all of the control panel items over here. So here you can see the mouse option is over here. If you now click on that, there is a window will be pop up over here. So now if we go for the pointers and use default and click apply and then click OK, and you can see your mouse getting changed and it's being reset. So this is how you can reset your mouse into Windows 10 or 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.